With hurricane season ramping up, you may be double checking your homeowner's insurance policy.
You may even be considering shopping around because prices are rising. Joining us is Michael Berry with the Insurance Information Institute. Good morning to you, sir. Why is homeowners insurance climbing and hard to get?
Well, good morning. Hopefully it's not that hard to get, but the costs certainly are rising. There's a couple of things for that, and that is the increasing frequency and severity of natural disasters, almost no matter where you live. Also, the rising cost of construction materials, the labor rates for contractors, and then people outside of the insurance industry probably don't look at reinsurance prices, but insurers do. Reinsurance is basically insurance for insurers. So, again, you look at 2023 and all the natural disasters we've had, starting with Hurricane Idalia today, but we've had months of natural disasters, and Texas, of course, is one of the most hurricane-prone states in the country as well.
Yeah, I know all those things really add up, so it makes sense why those costs are going up. Is there a certain time of year to shop around for a policy? Is it okay and worthy of people doing it right now during hurricane season?
Well, I think the one thing you want to do, and it's a little late in the game, but maybe to look into a flood insurance policy, because it takes 30 days to kick in. So here we are, August 30th. It wouldn't take effect till September 30th. But that will get you coverage for the final 2 months of hurricane season, which goes through November 30th. But I think the best time to shop around is when your policy comes up for renewal. Texas has a very vibrant market. There are a lot of carriers out there looking for your business. So if you want to shop your policy around, I would say the best time is to do it when the policy comes up for renewal, which is usually every year.
Now, is it a good idea to bundle your car and home insurance, or would you advise against doing that?
Definitely excellent idea to bundle both the auto and the homeowner's insurance. There's almost always going to be a discount. I think as somebody starts to price this out and tries to do it separately, they'll in almost every instance find they're going to pay more in premium if they do it separately, meaning having a separate policy with auto and homeowners with different carriers.
Now, what about negotiations? Is it possible to really talk them into giving you a deal, or is it pretty much set in stone, those prices?
Yeah, I think the way to approach it is basically, there's a couple of things that the policyholder can do. Maybe to drive down the premium, starting with maybe taking a higher deductible, meaning I would recommend, for instance, maybe $1,000 deductible rather than a $500 deductible. You'll see premium savings right there. Basically, what that's saying is that you, the policyholder, are going to pay out more of the costs before the coverage kicks in. But I would say having a $500 deductible really doesn't make any economic sense, because you're probably not going to be filing a claim unless it's $1,000 or more. So, and you may want to talk to an insurance professional, see if in fact the carrier, the insurance company, offers discounts for you as the policyholder taking certain steps to mitigate your risk. For instance, installation of storm shutters, perhaps looking into roof tie downs. There are discounts that may well be offered that you don't know about unless you ask.
So shop around or get someone to shop around for you, right? Michael Berry, thank you so much for joining us here on Houston's Morning Show. Have a great day.
You too. Good to be with you.